Middle Eastern country Lebanon, which is already facing an economic crisis due to the rising COVID-19 infections, saw a massive explosion in the capital city, Beirut. The blast occurred at exactly 6:08 p.m. in the evening. Investigation is still going on, and the cause for the explosion is 2,750 tons of ammonium nitrate, which was stored in the warehouses at the port from the past 6 years without any preventive measures. Ammonium nitrate is usually used in chemical fertilizers and bombs. The massive explosion killed more than 100 people and injured more than 4,000. The blast was heard 240 kilometers away on the island of Cyprus in the eastern Mediterranean, and the eyewitnesses said that they first saw fire and smoke near the port, but never expected an explosion of that frequency. People did not understand what exactly happened for a few minutes, as the explosion caused havoc in a few seconds, and many of them could not hear or see anything for a few minutes after it occurred. Death count may increase as rescue operations are still being carried out, and many of them are stuck under the debris. The whole city was black, and it became extremely difficult for the rescue operations to be carried out without proper light in the night time. People who were bleeding were seen running through the streets after the explosion. Lebanon's Prime Minister said an investigation is being carried out on an estimated 2,750 metric tons of the explosive ammonium nitrate stored at a warehouse for 6 years without any preventive measures, and the ones responsible for it will surely pay. The explosion is estimated to be equal to a 3.3 magnitude earthquake, as it shattered and destroyed everything within the range of 10 kilometers, including buildings, homes and cars. The port's granaries are completely destroyed, leading to a food crisis. The hospitals are struggling to accommodate the injured, as hundreds of them rushed to the hospitals, and many of them were also damaged after the explosion. The citizens have been instructed to wear a mask, as ammonium nitrate can release toxic gases, including nitrogen oxides and ammonia gas when it explodes. Israel said in a statement that it is in no way connected to the blast and has offered the Lebanese government medical and humanitarian assistance. France said it was sending aid and resources to Lebanon. US President Donald Trump said that the explosion appears to be a terrifying attack and will be there to help, as it has good relationship with the people of Lebanon. UK Prime Minister Boris Johnson says the UK is ready to provide any support it could to help Beirut. The country, which is already facing economic crisis due to various issues and rising tensions between Israel and the Hezbollah militant group along Lebanon's southern border, is mourning after the massive explosion.